Have you ever caught yourself saying, I'll do it later, only to find yourself rushing at the last minute? What if I told you that beating procrastination is easier than you think? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple steps to help you stop procrastinating and take control of your time. Let's dive in. The first step to beating procrastination is to break tasks into smaller pieces. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, and that's why we avoid them. Instead of thinking, I need to write a 10-page report, tell yourself, I'll just write the introduction first. Small wins build momentum and make the task feel less scary. Step 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. Reply to that email, organize your desk, or jot down your ideas. This rule helps you build momentum and stops small tasks from piling up. Step 3. Eliminate distractions. Let's be honest. Your phone is your biggest enemy when it comes to focus. Turn off notifications, use apps like Focus Mode, or put your phone in another room. Create a workspace that helps you stay in the zone. Step 4. Set a timer. Use the Pomodoro Technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Knowing there's a break coming makes it easier to stay focused, and you'll be amazed at how much you can get done in just 25 minutes. Reward yourself. Finished a task? Treat yourself to something you enjoy, a snack, a walk, or an episode of your favorite show. Rewards train your brain to associate productivity with positive feelings. It's a win-win. Procrastination doesn't have to control your life. Start with these 5 steps and watch how much more productive you become. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress. So, which step are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on crushing your goals. See you in the next one.